You're a baby. Why don't you put your hand in there instead of trying to pour one out?
No.
Yes.
Mom, look what a cat. A castle, right?
What?
A castle with.
A castle?
Yeah, but a castle with a bit now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You baby.
You're a baby. You look like a bird with your hair sticking up. Mm-hmm. What? What are you doing to your toes?
Looking at Bobo.
Why are you looking at your Bobo?
Because I don't see it.
Why don't you turn around and eat your food?
No. Mommy?
Woody?
Dada?
What are you talking about? Hurry up and eat so you can go watch Ninja Turtles. Come on.
I can't.
Why can't you?
Because I can't. See?
Looks like you can eat to me.
Mm-mm.
No, you can't eat. What are you doing right now then?
Because I turned to eat.
Pick up a different one, silly goose. Get a different one. You're silly.
You Mama.
I'm what?
I'm Mama.
I am Mama. And you're Randy.
And I'm Dada.
You're not Dada.
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're about to miss your mouth.
Mommy? Daddy? You're Daddy, Mommy.
No, I'm a mama.
I want TV.
Hey, are you done eating?
Yeah?
I didn't say you were done.
Hey.
No. Get over there and sit down.
No.
Yes, Randy. You want to get in trouble?
No.
Get over there and sit down.
I'm not hungry.
Sit in your chair. You can't get up until Mommy says you can get up.
I do.
Get up. One.
I'm sorry, my kitty.
Well, then you have to sit down in your chair and ask me if you can get up.
Mommy, can I get up?
What do you say?
Please.
Wipe your mouth.
Huh?
Wipe your mouth for real. Quit being silly. Go get in bed. Give me kisses. I love you.
I need a cheese.
Oh, I thought you were done.
I need cheese.
Okay, eat your cheese. Now go. Oh, you really need that many?
Yeah.
Get your butt in bed.
I need many.
Get your butt out of here.
Hey, you beep beep.
You're a baby. Hey, get out of here, you little turd. You're a weirdo. Go. Bye.